Hey everyone, here we are starting a new topic. The name of topic is Role of Capital Market, 5th chapter of Principle and Practices of Banking. Now come to the first primary market topic. So what happens in primary market? सिक्योरिटी जो कि शेयर्स या बॉन्ड या डिबेंचर्स की फॉर्म में होती है वो पब्लिक को सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए ऑफर की जाती है और इसके दो टाइप होते हैं, पब्लिक इशू मार्केट, दूसरा होता है प्राइवेट प्लेसमेंट। लेट्स कम टू द सेकंड टॉपिक, वो है सेकेंडरी मार्केट। इसमें क्या होता है, प्राइमरी मार्केट में सिक्योरिटी ऑफर हो गई, अब उन लोगों के पास सिक्योरिटीज हैं तो उनको ट्रेड किया जाता है। यहाँ दो टाइप है, इक्विटी मार्केट और डेट मार्केट। लेट्स कम टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज स्टॉक एक्सचेंज इन इंडिया। इंडिया में कितने स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है? टोटल 22 स्टॉक एक्सचेंज है इंडिया में। 3 उनमें से एसोसिएशन ऑफ पर्संस है, बीएसई बॉम्बे स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, अहमदाबाद स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, मध्य प्रदेश स्टॉक एक्सचेंज। ये 3 एसोसिएशन ऑफ पर्सन है एंड जो बचे हुए 19 हैं वो फंक्शन कर रहे हैं एज ए कंपनी। उनके नाम मैं बुक से रीड कर देती हूँ। स्टॉक एक्सचेंज ऑफ बेंगलोर, भुवनेश्वर, कोलकाता, कोचिन, कोयम्बटूर, दिल्ली, गुवाहाटी, हैदराबाद। इंटरकनेक्टेड स्टॉक एक्सचेंज जयपुर, लुधियाना, मद्रास, मगध, पुणे, सौराष्ट्र, कच्छ, UP, Vadodara, National Stock Exchange and over-the-counter exchange of India. Apart from National Stock Exchange, all stock exchanges, whether established as corporate bodies or as association of persons, were non-profit making organization. Okay, now next subtopic is demutualization of stock exchange. What is the demutualization of stock exchange? It is a transition process of exchange from a mutually owned association to a shareholder ownership. That means mutually owned association, here it was association of person, then it was converted into a company which gives shareholding to shareholders. So this thing is known as demutualization. What happens in this one association of person? The ownership, management and trading remains in hand of a single person, but after demutualization it goes to ownership, management and trading goes to separate hands. Come to the next subtopic, stock brokers. Who are stock brokers? They are members of a recognized stock exchange. They have to be registered under that stock exchange as a member with concerned exchange and register with SEBI. Come to the next topic, that is financial products. There are so many terms which we have to know. They are financial products. First one is equity. The definition I will read from book. Equity is the ownership interest in a company of holders of its common and preferred stocks. The various kind of equity shares are as follows. Equity shares. An equity share is commonly referred to as an ordinary share. It represents the form of fractional ownership in which a shareholder as a fractional owner undertakes the entrepreneurial risk associated